basically, it's a very simple point. The point is that the government will have to complete the entire process of actually implementing the roster system and giving the whole details of the appointments that were made, from the point in time where the policy came in, or from the point in time where the cadre came into existence. So those details will have to be worked out by each of the departments. And as and when each department does it, then they can go ahead with the recruitment, they can go ahead with the appointments. So it's not that it's going to go back to court. So court has given instructions that every department will have to ensure that the roster system is applied. So if there's a department that can do it by tomorrow, they can start appointing tomorrow itself. The department, particular bigger department, having much more numbers and a long history, may require a week, 10 days, or maybe a month. So as soon as they finish their own internal exercise, they can go ahead with the appointments. So the process will follow now, and as soon as the police is able to give the entire breakup of all the recruitments that have taken place in the past and put them into the roster system from day one, they can start recruiting, or they can start appointing from tomorrow itself if they finish their exercise.
But not fresh,
fresh also. Test. No, I mean, you mean to say will it be repeated again?
Yes.
No, there won't be repetition. It will continue from where we are now. We will just move forward.